Hello students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 2 of exercise 8.3 of chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 2, we have to prove that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. So question 2 is having two parts, and in both the parts we need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So we will be taking over here LHS and we will be proving it to be equal to RHS. We will be proving it that the value of LHS is equal to 1, that is equal to RHS. Okay. So for solving such type of questions, you need to convert it into the form 90 minus theta or 90 minus angle A, because we need complementary sets. Okay, so here when we will be getting complementary sets, because tan and cot are complementary set, so we can replace tan 90 minus theta with cot theta, or cot 90 minus theta with tan theta. Okay, so either you convert tan 48 and tan 23 in the form 90 minus theta, 90 minus this angle, or you convert these two. Convert any of the pairs. Okay, so we will be converting tan 42 and tan 67. Okay, so let us write as it is. You can convert any of the pairs, and tan 23 to be as it is. Now 42 can be written as tan 90 minus 48. Okay, you can easily check in your rough column that is it equal to 42 or not. So if we subtract 48 from 90, we will be easily getting here as a value to be 42. Okay, so I replaced 42 with 90 minus 48. Okay, now I'll be replacing this tan with value tan 90 minus 23. You can also check this also. 90 minus 23, is it coming to be equal to 67 or not? It is easily coming as 67. Okay, so I can easily replace tan 67 with tan 90 minus 23. Okay, so now we are left with tan 48, tan 23, tan 90 minus 48 and tan 90 minus 23. Now we already know that tan 90 minus angle A is always equal to cot angle A. So we will be replacing these 90 minus 48. Angle A over here is 48. Okay, and in this expression the angle A is 23. So we will be replacing 90 minus angle A with cot angle A, Okay, so we will be getting tan 48, tan 23, tan 90 minus 48 will be cot A. So cot 48 degrees, and tan 90 minus 23 will be cot 23 degrees. Now we also know that tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. So cot theta is always equal to 1 upon tan theta. Right from the starting we are learning this and we are knowing this fact. Okay, so cot 48 will be equal to 1 upon tan 48, will be equal to 1 upon tan 40 8. So it will be equal to 1 upon tan 48, as well as cot 23 will be equal to 1 upon tan 23, equal to 1 upon tan 23. So this tan, this numerator and this is in the denominator, it will get cancelled 1 times, and this will also get cancelled 1 times, and so ultimately we are left here with 1, which is equal to RHS, right hand side, which is equal to the right hand side value, that is equal to 1. So we have proved over here. Okay, so hence proved. Okay, so let us move on to the second part of question number 2. In the second part also we need to prove it. LHS is given to us, cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52 equal to 0. So we will be replacing again. You can replace any of, either you replace 52 or you replace 38. So I will be replacing 52 over here. So cos 52 can be easily written as 90 minus 38 equal to 52. It can be easily written as 90 minus 38. So I will be replacing here 52. Okay. So this cos 38 will be as it is. This cos 90 minus 38. 52 replaced as 90 minus 38. Okay. Sin 38 to be as it is. This 52 again replaced as sin 90 minus 38. Okay. So here also we are taking LHS to be, we will be solving with LHS and we will be proving it to be equal to RHS. Okay. So cos and sine are complementary to each other, we already know. So cos 90 minus theta will be equal to, cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta, and sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta always. We have already proved in our previous lectures. Okay. So put it in the place of cos 90 minus 38, we can put sin 38. We can put easily sin 38. Okay. So cos 38 to be written as it is, then cos 90 minus 38 is replaced as sin 38. Minus sign coming, then sin 38, and sin 90 minus 38 is replaced by cos 38. Here theta is 38 degrees. Theta is 38 degrees. So it will be cos 38. Okay. So sin 38, cos 38, sin 38, cos 38. These values are same. So they will get cancelled. The same value subtracted from the same, it gives us 0. And it is equal to RHS, right hand side value 0. So we need to prove it to be equal to 0, and we have proved over here equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay. So in this manner we need to solve such type of questions. Okay. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.